Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. After a very slow video with the Alpha 1 trader, we are now going to run Alpha 1 iBot. You can run that robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, or use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 100% on your first deposit, okay? Also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. So let's start up Alpha 1 iBot and see how much money you can make with that robot. And just like that, $2,429 in matter of 7 minutes. If you want this robot also, link below the video. So that, have an amazing day.